Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have the document open and the text selected, so start by opening the font dialog now. Once the dialog appears, switch to the Advanced or Character Spacing tab. This is where tracking, kerning, and scale live. You do this because Word separates visual spacing from font size, so precise control matters. Make sure to preview changes in the live preview area and choose whether to affect just the selection or the whole paragraph. This saves rework later. Now fine-tune the settings. Set spacing to expanded or condensed and type an exact value in points. Small values like 0. 5 pt often improve legibility without breaking word shapes. If your font supports kerning, enable kerning for fonts above a chosen size to fix awkward pairs automatically. Use scale to alter glyph width if you need a proportional fix. Once done, repeatedly preview different words. Some letter pairs reveal issues only in context, so iterate until to finalize, click OK and then save your file. If you want the change everywhere, update the paragraph or character style so future edits inherit the spacing. Make sure to use Ctrl+Z to undo any unwanted result quickly. If adjustments seem ignored, here's a key troubleshooting tip. Verify the font actually supports kerning and advanced metrics. Some system fonts don't. If needed, clear direct formatting or switch to a modern font. Then reapply spacing. That fixes most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.